package, as you see me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be on how to do your Duchess braid. You can do it on a wig, you can do it with a caniculum hair if you want. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I did this Duchess braid. This is really easy to do. Briefly, I'm going to show you guys how I styled this wig. This hair I used for this video is from Upretty hair company. I'm going to leave all the hair specs in the description box. I used 3 bundles. I didn't even finish the 3 bundles. I used 2.5 bundles and a closure to achieve this particular wig. Now let's just get into this tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna quickly show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like, and I'm also gonna quickly show you guys how I made the wig. I have a detailed tutorial on how to do a wig. I'm gonna link that in the description box below. So I used a lace closure and I used 2.5 bundles to achieve this style. So quickly I'm going to do my I'm going to sew down my lace closure. So right here I'm just attaching the bundles and I'm using my glue gun. I'm so sorry about the camera being out of focus sometimes. It's a new lens, so I'm just trying to get used to it. I'm sorry about that. So after making the wig, I went ahead and wear the wig. I'm just trying to work on the hair right here. I'm using my hot comb to just comb down the lace closure to make it to lay very flat. So right here I just decided to flat iron the lace closure a little bit. So now I'm just applying my concealer to get a more natural hairline. Right here I'm just spraying my holding spray. And this is what the hair looks like. It's a very beautiful hair. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I did the Duchess braid. So right here, I'm just going to comb the hair very well. And then I'm going to start to cornrow the hair. And when I cornrow, I don't cornrow the hair too tight. I just do it like I'm just doing like a loose cornrow. So right here, I'm going to show you guys how to do the Duchess braid. Right here, I'm just spreading out the cornrows. I'm starting from the bottom. So right here, I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and apply these accessories. It's totally optional, and this is the final look, guys. You can never go wrong with a Duchess braid. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Means we loaded. Get your body so